And welcome back to another Juniper Mountain Pro Tip, folks. Today we are talking XREFs. How do you insert an XREF? What we'll get into today. So one of the easiest ways is just hit the XREF tab. Come up here to the drawing icon, attach DWG. You want to navigate to where your drawing is saved that you like the XREF. In this case, we've got one right here. We'll click it, hit open. Now you've got a bunch of dialogues here. Reference type. You typically want to pick overlay. The reason being is this will prevent this from being nested into future drawings. Let's say we insert an XREF in this drawing and then we XREF this file into another file. You won't get a duplicate copy of the same thing. It prevents nested XREFs. Scale. You have the option to scale it when you insert it. Typically, when you're working with survey data or engineering type data, you don't want to be scaling everything because it'll throw off coordinates, it'll throw off dimensions. So we're going to leave our scale at 1. Insertion point, when you're working with coordinate systems, usually that's going to be 0. Reference type, you can pick relative path, full path, and pick relative at this case. This makes it a little easier in the future if this drawing is used for other purposes. Rotation, you can even rotate upon insert. In this case, like I said, we're working with shared coordinate systems, so we don't want to be rotating or scaling everything. We want everything to line up with each other. So we're going to leave that the way it is. Block unit, we're going to leave it 1. Hit OK. And you can see we've got our file referenced in here. Now you notice when we go back to our XREF tab, you see it attached. You got a couple of options here. You can compare changes. You can unload it. You can reload it. The option detach. One helpful thing that's often overlooked is bind. We can hit bind, and we can actually just directly insert the whole file into the drawing. Now it is in our drawing as a block reference. We'll explode it. And it is now the native lines, text, and other features. Hope that helps.